Hello children, and today we are going to start last exercise of rational number, exercise number 1.6, and this exercise based on word problem. So here we will do some questions based on word problem. So the first question you are seeing on the screen. A bag of sugar contains 90 complete 1 by 4 kilogram and weight of empty bag is 2 complete 3 by 5 kilogram. Then find the weight of filled bag. Means bag of sugar contains this one, and this is the weight of empty bag. So suppose that if we find the weight of filled bag, then we have to add them because sugar is filled inside the bag, no? So it will consist in the bag, so it will add. Okay, so for solution, weight of sugar, ninety complete 1 upon 4 kilogram means 19 4 ja 360 and 1 361 upon 4 kilogram. Okay, and weight of empty bag, equals to 2 complete 3 upon 5 kilogram means 5 2 ja 10 3 13 upon 5 kilogram. Okay, so the next point we will write hence weight of filled bag equals to 361 upon 4 plus 13 upon 5 kilogram. Okay, so now we will take the LCM, that the LCM of 5 and 4 will come 40. Okay, so now 4 5 ja 20. So we will multiply 5 in the 561. 5 in ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, 0 carry 3, 5 3 ja 18, 5 3 ja 15 or 3 18 plus 5 4 ja 20 and 13 4 ja 52. So we will add them 5 to 7, 0 and 5, 5, 8 and 1 divided by 20. So simply we will divide 1857 by 20. So we will not, you have to do this roughly. Okay, so suppose that if we do roughly, so look at here, 20 divided 1857, 29 ja 180, 5 is remaining, then 57, 5 2 ja 40, 22 ja 40, 7. So what will come? The answer will come 92 complete 17 upon 20, and we will erase it. And here we will write answer 92 complete 17 upon 20 kilogram. This is the weight of filled bag. Okay, understand? Yeah. Next question is, the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 10 complete 3 upon 5. So find the cost of 7 complete 1 by 2 meter of clothes. Means we have the price of 1 meter cloth. Okay, and as you know, if we have one thing then and we want more, then we have to multiply them because we need more, no? Suppose that you have one chocolate and if you want more chocolate, then you have to pay the equal price of in same amount. Okay, so we will, whenever in the question the one thing, yeah, price of one thing is given and ask about the more, so you have to multiply. Okay, this is the funda of this type of questions. So for solution, we will write here cost of 1 meter cloth equals to rupees 10 complete 3 upon 5, means 10 5 the 30, a 50 and 3 53 upon 5. Okay, 5 10 is 50 and 3 53 upon 5. Hence, cost of 7 complete 1 upon 2 meter load equals to, we will multiply 43 upon 5 and 7 complete 1 upon 2, because you can see the changement here. 1 to 7 complete 1 upon 2 means it is increasing, and when the thing is increased, the price will be multiplied. Okay, this is the funda. When thing increase, then the price is also increased, means we will multiply it. So 53 upon 5 multiplied by 7 complete 1 upon 2. Now convert into improper fraction. 7 2 is 14, 1, 15 upon 2. And you can see 2 and 53 will not simplify with each other. But 5 and 15 will be simplified. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15 upon 2. And the question is in mixed fraction, so we have to get the answer is also in mixed fraction, and for mixed fraction you have to divide the numerator by denominator. So roughly you can divide here 2 7 is 14, the remaining 1, then 9 will carry, 2 9 is 18, 1 is carry. So 79 complete 1 upon 2. What you will write? 79 complete 1 upon 2 rupees. This is your answer. So the next question is, the cost of 3 complete 1 upon 2 meter wire is 57 complete 3 upon 4. So what is the cost of 1 meter wire? Understand? So you can see now the question is changed. In the previous question they asked about, they given the price of one thing, but here the price of more thing is given, but the price of one thing is demanding. Okay, so according to that, here the process will be just opposite, means we will do divide here. When more thing is given and the price of one thing is asking, they means they will ask in the question, so you have to divide them. Okay, so now we will move to solution. Simply we will write cost of 3 complete 1 upon 2 meter of 3 wire equals to rupees 57 complete 3 upon 4, means if we multiplied है 4 7 जा 28, carry 2, 4 5 is 20 or 2 22, and 3 231 will come here. So now again we will write here cost of 1 meter wire equals to, we will divide, because now you can see 3 complete 1 by 2 is now converted into 1, because this will, if it disappear from here, so it will go in the other side in division position. Okay, so we will write 231 upon 4 divided by 3 complete 1 upon 2. 3 2 are 6, 1 7 upon 2. And according to rule, we will change the sign and reciprocal the fraction. Simply, it will divide 7 3 are 21, 2 is remaining, 7 3 are 21, and here 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. The answer is 33 upon 2. And if we change it into mixed fraction, 2 1 are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining. 16 complete, 1 upon 2. This will be the 1 meter wire cost. Okay.